all, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from Market Decoder, and this video is for the first expiry of the December, that is for 3rd of December. And before getting into the video, I would like to say from today we will be seeing few stocks as recommendations, and we will be seeing 3 stocks for this at the end of the video. So kindly watch till the end. And before getting into the tomorrow's analysis, we will have a small recap of yesterday's level, and we'll get back to our analysis. So yesterday the target was 13,126 was given as T1, and today's high was exactly at 13,128. If you just go and keep the market, it is exactly 13,128. And why market came down all the way from 13,128 is a good question, and answer for that is yesterday the high was exactly at, and if you can see the cursor and see the time here in the below, it was yesterday 112, that is yesterday, and it was exactly at 13,128, and market made a double top at here, and market came all the way down. And again we got a good hammer and a confirmation, and again the market went up all the way, and it got closed at 13,113 today. So let's go back to tomorrow's levels and about Nifty. So these are going to be the levels, and market today exactly respected the trend line, and it went up all the way, and it is respecting a trend line here. It is a descending trend line and it is a ascending trend line. So altogether we can say this is going to be a descending ascending triangle, so it can break upside or downside. The ascending triangle has accuracy of 75%, and if the market supports, it can break up and go to the above levels. So the upside target is going to be 13,147, 13,147, and T2 is going to be 13,177. These are going to be the Fibonacci numbers as usual. So exactly, I believe if the targets are hitting, these should be the numbers which can hit. Okay, and if the market is coming down by 13,157, sorry, 13,057, breaking these lows, we can clearly have a target of 12,970 and 12,920 as the targets. Okay, and let's go back to our Bank Nifty levels, and we'll have a recap of history level of Nifty. So the levels which was given was 29,670, 667, 527, 432. All targets were hit, and the market got closed at, market made a low of 29,049, and whereas our target was completely hit, and the market went up all the way up. So let's go back to our today's analysis with Bank Nifty. So again, here also we can see a trend line, and Bank Nifty is respecting the levels absolutely. So these are going to be the levels, and if the market is closing below this candle, this green candle, I believe you can see it very well. If a red candle comes into the picture tomorrow and closes 60% below this candle, it will be considered as a bearish evening star, and we can see the targets below. The first target will be 29,286, 29,138, and 29,923. And here it can take a double bottom and it can jump. So again, if the market is sustaining above 431, sorry, 543, that is this low point, and the current swings high, market will do, Bank Nifty can do 29,666, 29,970, sorry, 29,796, and 29,965 are the above targets. And obviously these are going to be the Fibonacci levels, so definitely it can come. So these are the levels for tomorrow, and let's have a small look at in option chain, as tomorrow is going to be the expiry. So let's have a look on the Nifty first, and we'll go with Bank Nifty. So these are going to be the levels, and I have already given the levels. And tomorrow we have a good resistance at 13,150 with 13.41 lakhs against 1.98 lakhs, and above that we have a huge resistance at 13,200. If there is a gap up and market can touch our levels, and it can come down because of the huge resistance. And if you see a support, there is a huge support at 13,100 with 17.8 lakhs against 24.48 lakhs. So I believe the next support will be 13,000 with huge support with open interest of 41.16 lakhs. Obviously tomorrow it can touch, because there will be some unwinding and the market has to. So let's look for the bank Nifty range could be 12,950 to 13,150. The 200 points range would be. Let's look for our Bank Nifty range with the open interest. Okay, here we go. We have a huge resistance at 30,000 with 11.93 lakhs against just one on the put side, and immediate resistance would be around 29,800, where we have 6.45 lakhs, and before that we have huge resistance at 29,800, which is going to be 7.24 lakhs open interest in the call side against just less than a lakh open interest in the put side. So we have a good resistance around 29,800 and good support around these levels. Here we go with we have a good support at 29,000, which has 7.23 lakhs. This level 29,000 put option and 29,800. This 800 points will be a range for tomorrow. That is 2%. 2.5% will be a range for tomorrow, and both have a similar number of open interest, 29,800 which has 7.24 lakhs, and 29,000 put option has 7.23. It is a coinciding number, but here it is going to be a very interesting day for tomorrow. Okay, that's all for the daily analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's go with the stocks which I have informed as earlier in the. Okay, let's go. Here is a stock which I have found, which has a closure of 30%, 20% upside today, and it has given a break with a good chart, and we have still 2 more days to go, and just we got 2 days of trading. That is, as Monday was leave, Wednesday, just in 2 days we got a of 31 million, and the whole last only 38 million volume, whereas in just 5 days 38.8 million and 37.14 million. So I strongly believe these are going to be the targets, with 56 and 72 are going to be the targets. These are weekly targets. If market supports, we can see a good 20% at least here in the stock. So risky traders can obviously go for this and grab a good profit. And next stock is going to be our favorite, Reliance. The index heavyweight is forming a descending triangle. The descending triangle is only 75% accuracy in the breakdown. Today I was expecting it to break out, but it didn't. It is still in this triangle. It is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has given the 5 points, and obviously it can, if it is not breaking outside, it can break down and it can bring the Nifty down. And we can see some good decline in the volume, and obviously the stock is not rising. It has been in the range for almost 8-10 days, and it can break down if it is not going up. Pow 1960, if it is not giving a closure, we can expect a good breakdown till this area, which is going to be top 1850 or 820 levels. So, and one more stock. One more stock. This is going to be Repco Home. Home given a strong pattern. It has target one is going to be 295, and this recommendation is purely for the people who are already holding. I'm giving these targets 295 and 357. If market supports, we can see this level as soon as possible. But this is going to be a possible target even if the market is sideways or bearish, because the cup and handle is a rare pattern. It will definitely give the targets before completing the pattern. So that's all for today's analysis. Have a great day.